Oatmeal? Oh, let's go. You got it? Get the spoon. Can you get it? And then we get some on there. And then in it goes. Oh, that was so good, yeah. Oh, we're almost there. You missed some. Get some on the spoon. And there it goes. And it's feeding your own oatmeal on December 1st. Yeah. Oh, you got some on your face there. Oh, should we clean that up? Just a second. There you go. Get it back. Just wanted to get the excess off. Okay, there it is. Yummy, yummy. Okay, here goes. Eat your oatmeal? Not your finger, your oatmeal, silly. This stuff. Uh-oh, we missed. Zoop, there we go. Daddy should use the bib for this, shouldn't he? Look, Hannah, there's some more. You're just looking at yourself on the camera, aren't you? You were doing much better before you had yourself to stare at. Oh, there we go. That one. Yay! Good job. You're almost through with the bowl, sweetie. Okay, got another bite. Well, watch it go in. Get that finger out of the way. Oh, you missed. Oh. Zoop. Zoop. There's the rest. Zoop. Wow. You're doing so good. Zoop. Yummy oatmeal. Okay, Hannah, you want to clap? Clap. Let's clap. Okay.